What's up, guys? We back with another one. Today we're working on the F-150. You guys have probably seen it on previous videos. We're gonna do a full paint job on it. We're gonna cancel all the the Boss 5.4 body kit on it, and I'm gonna go with the Lightning. Customer wanted to replace all that, and then he wants a full paint job with the body kit painted. Let's check it out. Here she is, the Boss 5.4, and actually has a lot of body kits of different yellow, orange, the handles, everything's faded out. We got new bumpers, body kits, Lightning ones. We're gonna be replacing all that stuff. Take the front bumper off. I got my son helping me out. Start learning the trade here at Rob's Customs. Sanding the bumper down. Alright, we're gonna start taking this whole thing apart. We're gonna start taking the front bumper off, rear, start taking all these side skirts. Anything that does have holes in them, that's gonna leave holes, I am gonna patch them, do body work, so that way everything is clean. And then we're gonna go ahead, we are gonna go ahead and paint it back orange original, but since the paint's pretty faded, you can even, I don't know if the camera picks it up, but this orange is a different orange than this one, because obviously the door jambs never get the sun, so this stays a lot orange. So we're gonna look up the paint code here, and then we'll make sure we can color match it as close as we can. All right, let's start the process. It's a pretty nice truck, sitting on some welds. Actually already started on it, took the bed, had beds in the back of my house. We are doing no door jambs, just the outside paint. We'll be painting the black lines again, but this is what she's looking like. It is a Boss 5.4 liter. I think they built 2,000 of these trucks. 173. But we did take all the claddings and all the body kit off, and he wants to make it a Lightning body kit on it. So here's the hood. Still working on the hood, but I'm gonna end up painting it without the hood, so that way I can get the cabin painted for tomorrow morning, getting it all prepped up. We're gonna still do the same design. Took out the vents. We're gonna do some orange on the vents, and I just got the sunroof in. We're gonna be doing the sunroof and a little bit of body work where the old style body kit went in play. So we're covering up the holes. All right, guys, this is second, third. This is the third truck I paint. We got a lot of trucks lined up for paint. All right, check out the inside. Sunroof's there. Inside is pretty clean. We're gonna be doing a sunroof with silver suede. Alright guys, we got the frame all washed up, ready for the bed install. Alright guys, check it out, she's almost done. Just put on the body kit. We are working on the rear bumper, finding the bolts. I didn't get no bolts with it, so. And then we'll put the rear bumper on. It's just gonna need these side steps popped in, and then we'll paint them trim black. We'll spray them just so it looks brand new. We still have the wing to put on. Almost there. Sunroof is done.